Hello and welcome to another episode of Simple Cryptocurrency Reviews presented by Chain. In this episode, I'd like to present to you a project on the Neo blockchain called Deepbrain Chain with the ticker symbol DBC. This means it's an NEP5 token. As we can see here on CoinMarketCap, the current price of this token is trading at a seventh of a cent. Okay, and the total supply is 10 billion tokens. The circulating supply is currently 1.5 billion and the maximum supply is 10 billion as well. Now, where can you actually purchase this token? So this can be bought on a number of exchanges. It's not a new project. It's been ongoing for quite a while now. Gate.io is one of the exchanges, Huobi, Qcoin, Lbank, Huobi, Qcoin again for different pairings, Ethereum, BTC, and the Switcho Network Decentralized Exchange. Okay, let's move on to their website so you guys can see. So as we can see here on the deepbrainchain.org website, Deep Token, the world's first AI industry digital asset exchange. So it's an artificial intelligence based asset exchange. Let's go down here. So we can see some news from Deepbrain Chain. So the Deep Token Exchange, the first step in blockchain integration for AI companies. Deep Token Exchange, the world's first AI industry digital asset exchange, aims to provide relief to quality AI projects struggling to obtain the necessary funding required to break into the industry. And more news here, the Deepbrain Chain launches Skynet project, global recruitment of AI computing power. To build a stronger foundation of when our mainnet goes live, DBC Foundation will activate the Skynet project on the 15th of June, Beijing time, and recruit AI computing power from the globe. Then we can see they've got an annual report, a semi-annual report from June 2018. And let's go to the project introduction, which is very important. So using blockchain technology, we have developed a decentralized, low-cost and privacy-protecting AI computing platform with a full range of related products and services. Deepbrain Chain is a decentralized neural network. Countless nodes across the world will apply computational power to AI companies and receive DBC as rewards. 70% of the DBC will be paid by the system and AI companies only need to pay 30%. Our token DBC is traded via smart contracts based on NEO. We use a hybrid consensus mechanism combining DPoS, delegated proof of stake, that's what it stands for, with POI. Deepbrain Chain is also a secure data trading platform which, by separating data ownership from data usage, maximizes the value of data while ensuring data privacy. So, just to recap here, they've selected different tabs here. So, low cost, our system saves enterprises up to 70% computing power cost, so that's a big thing. Then the security section, so insulated data transaction environment secured by encryption algorithms and smart contracts. And the privacy protection, which is separating the data ownership from data usage, right, using smart contracts. Flexible computing, dynamic provision of computing power based on demands. Now, the advantages that they've got. So they're listing here the top scientists. We were awarded first place amongst enterprise competing in S&P 2017, the Chinese Man-Machine Dialogue Evaluation. More than 30 top Chinese AI teams joined the competition. And the model innovation. Deepbrain Chain is the world's first AI computing platform powered by blockchain. Standing at the intersection between AI and blockchain, two of the most revolutionary technologies in the 21st century. And the product landing, the Deepbrain Chain Cloud Platform, our sister company's answer to Amazon Alexa, is an AI skill store with more than 100 business clients. It will be the first AI platform to run on our blockchain. So that's quite interesting. And here you can see that you can download their logo if you're interested. For business cooperations, you can email them directly. They've got their email address here, also service email, and you can follow them on Twitter, Discord, Telegram, and the Neo website. Okay, so yeah, let's move on to one other thing here. So when you go to their website, you can actually see that it says Deep Token. Okay, so what is this Deep Token? So Deep Token is the world's first digital asset exchange dedicated to AI industry with innovative voting is mining mechanism. It aims to discover quality tokens in the AI industry. DPT token is a token issued by Deep Token Exchange. It is the basis for organizing the platform's ecosystem, building, and community autonomy. To participate in a token sale, you need to conduct KYC first. So as usual, that's what needs to be done. And this token sale prohibits nationals from the US, Singapore, and mainland China from taking part. So you can see that they've got a token sale for Deep Token. Now, if you're interested in buying Deepbrain Chain, you can buy Deepbrain Chain already, like I said, on all those different exchanges, but Deep Token is just the asset that they're going to use within their exchange. So they've got 31 days till the token sale ends, and the current price of the token is $1 for 137 DPT. And the discount lasts between the 9th and the 14th day of the month, I believe. So yeah, deep token features. Listing screening models. Listing screening model designed by former Huobi listing officer who has experience of listing over 150 blockchain projects. Verified global AI experts and practitioners to co-decide on the listing, no cheating. Then we've got the innovative voting mining mechanism. So discovering quality AI digital assets on the principles of transparency, fairness, and impartiality, permanently no listing fee. Join Deepbrain Chain's community. Deepbrain Chain provides low-cost computational power, and Deep Token discovers quality AI assets, providing AI industry an all-round service. And the global scale new realm. So through tokenization, helping AI companies accelerate fundraising, issue and trade digital assets. Huobi Cloud technical support. So Huobi Cloud offers Deep Token comprehensive one-stop turnkey solution, ensuring the security and usability of the exchange. Then they're listing more discounts here. So the DPT sales discounts. We can see the time frames. So the first 24 hours, it's 167 DPT for $1. Second day is 157 and so on, and then they've got the limits per person in the table here. Their roadmap. Okay, so 2018, August 2018, the Deep Token platform alpha version went live. Okay, and September to October, Deep Token platform officially live. DPT can be traded on exchange. First AI digital asset also goes live on Deep Token. Detailed rules of voting mining mechanism released. So yeah, guys, so pretty much until the end of, towards the end of October, everything should be live in terms of the Deep Token exchange. So you'll be able to trade on there. And then we've got the community reward plan, which is also in October. And in November, we've got the DBC Fiat Pair over-the-counter platform. So this is quite interesting because we've got one other project which I've spoken about on the Neo blockchain called For the Win, which is the first lottery, decentralized lottery on the Neo blockchain. Okay, and they're also going to release an over-the-counter product which I've already done a demo on. So interesting enough, they're going to have some competition from Deepbrain Chain. But the difference is that these guys have the fiat pairing including in their OTC. So it's going to be a bit different. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let me go to the team as well before I move on. So let's go back here. Sorry, one moment. Okay, here's the team. So yeah, here they're just showing you all the exchanges that you can buy it on. So Huobi, KuCoin, Gate, Switch On Network, and so on. And the core team. So CEO is Hee Young. Hee Young is the CEO of Deepbrain Chain. He was once enrolled in a PhD program at East China Normal University and Chinese Academy of Sciences. As an artificial intelligence expert, he holds the title of Innovation Charter of the Shanghai computer industry. He started research on Bitcoin and blockchain technology in 2014. Proficient in product design and machine learning algorithms, he is the inventor of the intelligent semantic error correction engine used for much of game translation. He Young is among the first batch of entrepreneurs in the field of artificial intelligence in China. He has presided over the research and development of the first Chinese voice assistant, Smart 360, whose registered users exceeded 17 million. He also led the development of the world's first artificial intelligence speakers half a year earlier than Amazon Echo. He also saw the development of the country's first cloud of the brain system, Deepbrain. He led the Deepbrain Chain team to win an Innovation and Creativity Award in Zhong Guangkun's second blockchain competition in 2017. And then we've got the CMO, Changfeng Li, and other people here, President of North America, Christine Chan. So yeah, quite a few people. They're not actually listing any of the developers working for them, and there are no LinkedIn profiles associated. Now, I would have probably said why. I mean, there should have been, but watching a different interview a while ago from, I believe it was one of the guys working on the Neo for the Neo team, he did mention that in China, LinkedIn is not actually that popular. So that's why many of these guys, like from different projects in China, don't actually have a LinkedIn profile associated with their on their website, associated with themselves. So that's the reason behind that. So yeah, don't worry about it. Just because there is no LinkedIn profile doesn't mean that they're not legit. Okay, so we can see they've got some investments institution partners as well. Gobi Partners, Colin Star Blockchain Ventures, GBIC, Byte International Capital, Neo Council, which is very important, C Wallet, Singularity Net, Tunayo, B News. I haven't heard about any of these, so Bitcoin Addict Thailand. So these are in different parts of the world, mostly in Asia. And yeah, this is pretty much just recapping on their roadmap. So launch of network beta is going to be at the end of Q4, and 2019 system improvement and further testing. So that pretty much covers them. Now I haven't actually gone through their white paper because going through it is quite long and there's a lot to go through, and unfortunately I couldn't find any parts which are of interest to me. One of the downsides about this project, in my opinion, is their white paper. I believe is way over too complicated and way too technical. I'm a database developer and I do find that actually too technical, way too much to go through, and a lot of the terminology that we don't understand and we may need to search on Google. I do believe that they should have a shorter version of their white paper, which could translate all the technical jargon into words that many normal folks that are non-technical could understand. I think that's very important. So one of the cons that I believe with this project is their white paper. They do need to make sure that they make a shorter version of it, in my opinion, just to make it easier for people to digest and to basically convince people to invest in the project. So yeah, that's pretty much it. They've also got AI training, which is quite interesting here if you're interested to do some training. And yeah, that's all I wanted to cover, guys. Now, one of the pro things I didn't actually mention that one of the pro things is their website looks pretty professional. This project has been ongoing for quite some time now, so they have hit a lot of the points in the roadmap. And yeah, I mean the website looks quite professional as well. It's quite nice. And yeah, I mean if you go to their Telegram page, they've got quite a big community as well. Also their Twitter page. And yeah, having such a big community gives you some sort of trust in the platform as well. Because normally when the communities are smaller, or if they used to be big and they gone smaller, is because something's usually wrong. However, this project is more for the long term, considering for the future, because a lot of these digital companies are starting to move over to artificial intelligence. So these guys may offer them the solution that companies are looking for. So yeah, guys, I'd like to thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please hit the likes if you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I will answer all the questions I get, guys. If I can't answer it, I will be asking on Deepbrain Chain's Telegram channel. I also suggest you guys to also join their Telegram channel. I will be posting it in a comment below, and I'm going to pin the comment. Also, please don't forget that I do have an FTW giveaway, which is for the win, the first lottery blockchain project on the Neo blockchain. Okay, guys, I'm giving away 250 FTW tokens when I hit 200 subscribers. I'm going to be doing another video with the draw. So yes, please have a look at that video. I'm going to post it at the end of this video, so you guys will just be able to click on the link if you're interested. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and Goodbye and see you in the next video.